Welcome to Fun Learnings.
Most important JavaScript string methods. JavaScript offers a plethora of string methods that are invaluable for manipulating and working with strings efficiently. Here are some of the most important ones. Char@ returns the character at the specified index. Concat combines two or more strings and returns a new string. Index of and last index of returns the index of the first or last occurrence of a specified substring within the string. Slice extracts a section of a string and returns it as a new string. Substring similar to slice but doesn't accept negative indexes. Replace replaces a specified value or pattern in a string with another value. Lowercase and uppercase converts a string to lowercase or uppercase. Trim removes white space from both ends of a string. Split splits a string into an array of substrings based on a specified separator. Char@, char_@, codepoint@. Char@ returns the character at a specified index. Char_@, returns the Unicode value of the character at a specified index, and codepoint@, returns the Unicode code point value of the character at a specified index. Support for code points beyond the basic multilingual plane.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for videos every week.